All right, so here it is, day 12, I do believe, and I have a readiness of 60, which means, dang it, who is texting me? Which means that I didn't get enough sleep or didn't recover well enough from yesterday's activity, whatever. I did do some activity, like I exercised, but doesn't track all that. That's a whole different issue. But it adjusts my activity goal, so it needed me to get 300. Normally I'm at like 500, but it said do about 300 because of my readiness wasn't so great, which all of that is interconnected. It's kind of cool. But the heart rate, oh, it just updated again. Actually, I'm glad that it happened right now in this moment. So it now says that my heart rate was tracked 22 minutes ago. It's supposed to do like every 5 minutes, but it does it when you are relatively still. But I also learned that it's when your hands are relatively warm. So for me, it's winter here in Michigan, and winters are cold here in Michigan, but also I like have poor circulation to my extremities, so like my hands are always cold. Like I keep heated steering wheel on in my car year round, even in summer, because my fingers and hands get cold very often. So I think for me, maybe some other people like me may not have as frequent of checks because it's looking at your body temperature in order to get the most accurate reading and to also conserve battery life because they don't want to trigger the sensors to start functioning in that moment if it's not going to be a good reading. So it just won't do it at all. So you can see that in my heart rate. But again, it just updated. Before it was showing that like about 10:50ish or something. So it's been over an hour, but it now updated. So it was 20 minutes ago, but still. Hands aren't very warm. I think at that time I washed my hands, so it was warm water on my hands, so that could be why. But it does show a range, so maybe my hand, whatever. My hands were warmer 20 minutes ago, but just something else that I've learned.